Hey, so I'm gonna try something new today, tacos al pastor. Been wanting to do it forever, and we're gonna do it as authentic as I can. I researched this on the internet a lot, and you know, just like with every kind of food, oh, if you don't use this specific pepper or this specific thing, then it's not authentic. Well, dude, I am not gonna, we're not gonna find these kind of chili peppers out here. I'm not gonna buy them and then have to wait for next year to use them again. So I did find a recipe that I could go and find stuff at the grocery store, right? And so the star of the show for any al pastor is the chili. Yeah, and so I got these. There's a bunch of them in there, and wow, are these things hot. But this is the star. This is what makes it al pastor. And I'll post the recipe in the comment section along with this roasted tomatillo kind of salsa that I made. But let's take a look at what we got here. So this is a 2-pound pork butt cut into pretty thin slices. Yeah, see that? Not very thick at all. And depending on the cut of meat, you may have slices that are that big or whatever. That's fine. And what we're gonna do is use these skewers, and I'm gonna put it in this pineapple, and I'm just gonna layer the meat one on top of each other until I get a good stack. Then I'm gonna put this other piece of pineapple on top. Okay, so at the same time that I'm doing this tacos al pastor with the pork, I'm also gonna do something for all the vegetarians and vegans out there. I'm using the same al pastor marinade, and I'm gonna do some veggies. This is just a fajita veggie mix. I'm not gonna cook it the same way I do the meat with the skewer. I'm just gonna put it in this thing right here and go to town. I'm actually gonna do this on my gas grill, so I don't get any meat flavor on the veggies. But yeah, it's probably about time I do something vegetarian or veggie or vegan related. Yeah, all right, let's go. Okay, so here we go. I'm about halfway done, about halfway up the skewer, and that's how it goes. So we'll see how far up I get. Maybe I'll have to shift everything over to put the other half on it, but we'll see. Okay, so we have the leaning tower of meat here, and I still have this one pineapple to put back, or to put on top. So I'm probably gonna put another skewer or two in here, and then kind of hold it all down. I did have a metal kind of bowl shaped thing with a either an 8 or a 12-inch rod that came up. And that's what I wanted to use, but that's not gonna get here until another 3 or 4 days. So I'm just gonna make do with this. Ooh, man. Oh, that's so colorful. I wish you could smell how good this smells. So it took about 45 minutes at 400 degrees for that stack to reach 145 degrees internal temperature. So I just took it off the skewers, and I mean, look at that. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna cut these up in little pieces and then put them in tacos. But I'm gonna little chef's cut here. I'm gonna get a piece of this. Wow. That sauce gets even better when it's cooked in that meat. Now that meat was marinated for about 24 hours. Matter of fact, longer than 24 hours. And that's got some kick. Nice spice. that ancho chili, the chilies in that adobo that I showed earlier, very smoky flavor, without anything from the grill, but just such an awesome flavor. This is probably going to be another go-to dinner. Yeah, and next time I may spring for those fancy chilies. Yeah, but anyway, that's it. I'm gonna put these in. I've got some sliced up lime, some chopped up cilantro. That's gonna go on here. But yeah, that's it. Thank you.